Hey guys, Ram here from Ramos Rooted Tree. I wanted to start this first series of videos that we're going to be doing over the course of the coming years with something very simple. At Ramos Rooted Tree, our goal is to eradicate stress and disease. To do that, it starts with what we put in our body, which we don't often think about. It's not just about what you eat. We take a very holistic approach, a multidimensional approach for multidimensional humans. So today we're going to be doing a very simple recipe. It is, in my opinion, the best strawberry lemonade you will ever have. I can almost guarantee it. You can try it yourself if you have a juicer. So I recommend that you firstly use a cold press or masticating juicer. You can use the juicers that rotate, that have a blade, but those are the more common ones that you would find in a household. Problem with those is those are more meant if you're going to use the juice for cooking, baking, something like that, where you're already going to damage and heat the juice. That blade spins very quickly and it generates a lot of heat that oxidizes the juice and diminishes the nutritional value. As much as you can, you want to, if you are going to juice, you want to actually minimize oxidation. I actually, almost every morning I do smoothies, and I use a vacuum blender that I'll illustrate one day in the future, in a future video. And that vacuum blender is designed as well to reduce oxygen levels so that oxidation is minimized and whatever you eat is intact, almost like if it were whole. Like if I were to take this and take a bite of it, right now the surface of this fruit is getting oxidized. People don't often think about the fact that food is like chemistry. Well, it is chemistry. Our body in many ways is chemistry. And so this body requires certain things to be put into it to maintain its balance and its stability so that you can actually maintain a disease-free state long term. So as much as I can, I want to try to eat things whole. But juicing is beneficial because you can actually maximize your intake of nutrition that you otherwise would not be able to take because there's so much fiber. So let's give you a little quick rundown here of the ingredients. And of course, please feel free to comment below. Please subscribe. We're going to be adding enormous content in the coming months. I'm going to try to do at least one video per week. And they will not be all about nutrition. They will include a number of different techniques, from yoga techniques, from concentration techniques. If you want to master yoga, there'll be a number of great things for that. If you want to conquer and live stress-free, I will also be talking about that. And I do hold a number of programs online to actually do this. All right, so let's start with the recipe, and you can go to ramosrootedtree.com. The link is below to be able to check that out. It's amazing, life-changing programs, 100%. I'm here to serve, and anything that I do, hopefully you'll find that it's good content. Okay, so you can see I have here, for this strawberry lemonade, I have about a handful of strawberries. You could actually add a bit more than this. I mean, my hands are a little bigger. If it's a woman, maybe 2 handfuls, but you want at least like 10, 12 strawberries. You want a half a honeydew. It depends on the size. This is on the bigger side. I already juiced some of the honeydew to save some time, but you want to do about a half a honeydew and a whole lemon. The lemon, you want to cut it into 4 sections. I typically like to just press it with this. Again, by pressing, it minimizes heat generation and you get your lemon juice intact and more nutritional. So I would cut this into quarters and I would then juice it into the container. You can see I already have some fiber here. The good thing about these juicers, I have no connection to this juicer. You can get whatever juicer you want, but the good thing about these cold press juicers is they maximize the amount of juice output. You can see that this flesh is, well, you can't really, if I go up close, this flesh is pretty dry. Other juicers, it comes out and you like waste a lot of the juice. All right, so the lemon juice is already in here and some of the cantaloupe. So we want to actually put the strawberries in, and I'm going to juice these real quick. And the way that this works is it mimics mastication, like if you were chewing it. So it presses it and it extracts the juice from the fruit or vegetable. This juice as well, it has 3 simple ingredients, no sugar added, and it's an amazing strawberry lemonade. You can have this whenever. On Ramos Rooted Tree, the blog section of Ramos Rooted Tree, I'll include a link below. I will be posting information about this juice, and like anything that I post with regards to food, I will be adding what are the benefits of honeydew, what are the benefits of lemon, why are they important to be included in your diet. So you juice all the honeydew, and once you have it all mixed, all juiced, other things that you can add to this to supplement, I will also add in the blog, but I'll mention them now. You can also add some fresh turmeric root, which has nice and anti-inflammatory and is a very popular root right now in the health circles. If I'm an athlete, definitely turmeric is something that I will be consuming all the time, daily. And I'll be doing probably an article on that, something that will benefit athletes, somebody who is constantly taking a beating to the joints and they actually need to decrease inflammation. You can add turmeric. You can also add greens. So you could add something that doesn't change the flavor of the lemonade and it will still taste good. Like it is right now, it's absolutely amazing. This tastes super delicious. I can state my name that this will be one of the best, if not the best lemonade you've ever had. So again, a handful of strawberries, a lemon, and about a half a cantaloupe. You can play around with it. It could be less than this. It's actually a pretty big cantaloupe. And so now you want to do the exchange here. And now you have your juice. And of course, one of the best parts of this juice is that kids love it. My kids drink juice all the time. I make the juices here at home. And obviously I don't just make lemonade, but I'll be sharing other juicing recipes that I recommend. And I'll be doing one in the near future, so stay tuned on cancer fighting juice. Excellent cancer fighting juice. Okay, all right, so this should be stirred. If you're gonna be using a straw, I recommend that you use a biodegradable one. And you can stir this and you can pour it or just drink it straight from this. Amazing. So again, handful of strawberries, half a cantaloupe, and lemons. I suggest that you try it out. Please leave any comments on any of the videos below. If you have anything that you want to learn about that is related to stress, health, disease, yoga, advanced practices of yoga, spirituality, this is the place. I have spent the last 2 decades mastering the art of living, mastering the art of health and of yoga, and I will be teaching all of this stuff on videos over the course of however long it takes. If you want to work with me or get to know more about what I do, please go to Ramos Rooted Tree and book a free consultation. It's a $297 value. I gift it to you for free. We get on the phone, pure coaching session. I will be mainly focused on helping you find your path to success, to health, and to peace. So with that, I bid you farewell and have a good time and enjoy.